Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nguli Soccer. I mean, it's good to see ulokhu unjani uMaseko ebuyile kuMamelodi Sundowns after iy'nkinga zakhe neMamelodi Sundowns kubonakala ngathi uzoyishiya iMamelodi Sundowns aze aphosta naye online ukuthi akaphathekile kahle. Ubuyile kule game lena emagesi udlale kahle kakhulu bafethu. Even nale game le Orlando Pirates bamfakile laphana late second half. Good fit. Uyambona ukuthi nje i-player obvious akanayo i-match fitness compared to amanye ama-player, but mekabamba ibhola uyambona ukuthi u-dangerous lo muntu lo, yabo. Dangerous. Maningi kakhulu ama-team angabhenefitha ngoMaseko bafethu, sikhulume iqiniso. NeMamelodi Sundowns nayo iyabona manje ukuthi okay, njengoba umfana ngathi nangu uphusha for imove, naku sebamnika i-game time-ke manje e-serious kangcono, yabo, akusafani. Umjito super talented bafethu, yabo, and naye uyazithemba. U-coach mekhuluma ngaye uyasho ukuthi umjita lo sekazozama ukumdlalisa whatever, and but into ayimentionile, ngoba ngiyaparaphrase la, into ayimentionile ukuthi umdlali usebenza kanzima ngempela lapha ne-training, uyazibonakalisa ukuthi uyafuna ukurepresent iMamelodi Sundowns. I mean, izinto sezitshentshile ngempela, zitshentshe fast after zonke lezi zinto bezenzakala for the past few weeks. Cabanga uMaseko bamshiya ku-FIFA Club World Cup bafethu, azange abe part of i-squad sokuya ku-FIFA Club World Cup. That was very disappointing ukuthi abukele abafowabo baya ku-FIFA Club World Cup, and the saddest part ukuthi kuhambe nama-player amasha bengakaze arepresent iMamelodi Sundowns ngaleyo ndlela. Ngingabala nje ama-player Cupido, and then uMuthiba, ama-player amasha lawo uMamelodi Sundowns bewangekho iMamelodi Sundowns mayiwina izinto. uMaseko ba-contribute-a kakhulu. I mean, that was sad, that was very sad for uMaseko ukuthi ahlale, but-ke njengoba kune-European move beyikhona kuthiwa bafuna ukumlowna izinto ezinjalo, or bamfuna nge-loan leni e-Europe, iMamelodi Sundowns yayi-rejecta leyo move leyo. It was surprising to see iMamelodi Sundowns i-rejecta leyo move because uMaseko bekangekho kuma-plans we-coach, but-ke manje sekhona kuma-plans we-coach. But you know, uMaseko i-player eli-good ngempela bafethu, yeah, lamjida u-good, like u-good ngempela, and uhlale kakhulu ngaphandle saze sakhohlwa nanokuthi u-good kangakanani. Sikhumbule ukuthi lo mdlali lo iBafana Bafana International dala contribute, ubuya kude no-Hugo Broos bafethu, bekayi-super sub eli-serious laphana kuBafana Bafana, ashaya ama-goals laphana kuboma-AFCON, yabo. To see manje akacayewanga, abamcabangi nokumcabanga nje makuphuma i-squad seBafana Bafana because of i-game time akayitholi kuMamelodi Sundowns, but at the same time futhi siphinde si-understand ukuthi uke walimala, yabo, i-injury yiyo emkhiphe elayinini ngempela, but bekayi-favourite lama-previous coaches, but uMiguel Cardoso unama-favourite wakhe, yabo. But nangu umdlali uvukile ngempela, uyasiphakamisa isandla. Sobona ukuthi indaba kaMaseko neMamelodi Sundowns izohamba ihambe iphelele kuphi, because you can blame the coach, we can blame the coach iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ayimdlalise uMaseko, but maningi ama-players laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, yabo, maningi, serious. But oMatthews, hhayi, uyadlala ukudlala, but hhayi, decision making, final third iyamhlula. Into e-important egemini abizelwe yona iyamhlula, ukwazi ukudlala. Okay, ithi singangeni kuMatthews, but yeah, uMaseko, what a player bafowethu, what a player, one of the brightest young stars in South Africa, and siyakhohlwa kwesinye isikhathi because uhlala ngaphandle isikhathi eside, but is a solid good player. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.